So now we're going to confirm someone's registration for a workshop. We are in the SurveyMonkey page and we go to Analyze Results, Individual Responses, and we've seen that Michelle would like to sign up for SpendSmart, Keys to Credit, and Creating a Financial Future. We have already taken a look to make sure that there is space available in those workshops still. And we have taken a look to see if she needs an interpreter, has any further questions or requests for accommodations. And so what we will do is use her email address here, copy that, go to the shared drive, workshop coordination folder, workshop coordination resources, and then find the email saved here that says CBOYO workshop confirmation email. Conveniently saved in the shared drive, we can add Michelle's email address here, change it to make sure it's addressed to her, and then go through and edit to make sure we are confirming the workshops that she was hoping to take part in. So we would just go over here and go in chronological order. We see that Monday afternoon, July 9th from 3 to 5 is the first workshop, so that'd be Keys to Credit. Put that at the top here. And let's see, Monday afternoon. July 9th from 3 o'clock to 5 o'clock p.m. and that's at CVOYO in St. Albans, so we'll change this to 5.
Hi, is this Amy?
Great.
Oh, okay. I was trying to reach Amy.
And then we see that Michelle will participate in
Yes.
SpendSmart, July 18 and 25. So we'll go Wednesday evenings,
7307.
18.
Okay, thank you.
And that will be from 6 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. At the Northwest Medical Center. Okay. And then Creating a Financial Future will be down here in Burlington, Monday evenings, July 30th and August 6th. From 6 to 8 p.m., CVOYO in Burlington. Excellent. So we'll scroll down and then hit send. Then, now that I've sent her that email to her email address, I can edit her name to indicate that we have sent her a confirmation. And to do so, we put an X by her at the front of her name, and then hit save. And then we will see here that her registration will update to indicate right here that we have already confirmed with her. Now, if Michelle had solely provided a phone number rather than an email address, I would make an O next to her name to tell myself that I have her on the list of participants and therefore am accounting for her as one of the members, the anticipated participants on the list. However, I have not already called her. I will do so a few days in advance to remind her.